Hello guys. So, i-discuss ko muna sa inyo yung pinaka-first part ng pre-calculus, and that is all about conic section. So, I already placed here the definition. When we say conic, it is just the cone. So, alam nyo naman yung apa ng ice cream, di ba? So, that is an example of a cone. And then when we say section, that is to slice or cut. So, as one, when we say conic section, ano yung mabubuo mo? So, what are the particular class of curves which sometimes appear in nature and which have applications in other fields? So, yun yung pag-aaralan natin ngayon. Okay? So, we have different cut or slices in a conic section. For example, let's take the first. If you are to cut, so let's say this is the cone. Okay? So, please bear with my drawing because I'm not good at it. So if you are to cut this cone horizontally, so kahit saan pa dyan, i-cut mo, o let's say dito siya i-cut, okay? Pag kinat mo yan, you will form a what we call a circle. Okay? So if you are to cut the cone horizontally, okay? Next, what about if you are to tilt the plane but not so much that it is not horizontal? So for example, we have this a cone again, and you are going to tilt daw. I-cut mo ng pag ganito. Okay? So you will form here a what we call ellipse. Okay? So if you are to tilt a little bit, but not so much that it is not horizontal. So medyo lang, but it is not in a horizontal manner. Not horizontal. Okay? So you will form an ellipse. So parang oblong siya, di ba? Ganun ang ellipse. Pag horizontal, it is perfect circle. But if you are to tilt it, okay, you are to form an oblong, or that is known as ellipse. Okay, next, moving on. Another, if you are to cut the cone, okay, vertically upward. So, you are to cut it vertically upward. So, for example, vertically upward. So, straight na ganyan. So, just try to imagine as a cone, and if you are to slice it vertically upward, you will form a what we call parabola. Parabola. Okay? So, that is cutting it vertically upward. And finally, if you are to tilt the plane figure parallel to one side of the cone, okay? So for example, we have there the cone, and you tilt a little bit, okay? So just try to imagine the cone of an ice cream. If you tilt a little bit parallel to one of the sides of the cone, okay, parallel. So parallel to one side of a cone, you are to form. So, yung parabola, halos pareho lang sila ng hyperbola, pero mas open wide yung hyperbola. So, we form a hyperbola. Okay? So, these are the four conic sections of a cone. So, yan yung pag-aaralan natin sa pre-calculus. So that is just an introduction, guys. So, the first week is all about circle. So, we'll be studying about circle. So, I will be discussing what is circle all about in my next video. So, thank you, guys.